Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to our channel Lakshmi Chakra vlog. So ఈరోజు vlog ఏంటంటే డాక్టర్ చక్రీస్ విద్యాలయంలో జరిగినటువంటి CCA ప్రోగ్రామ్ రేస్. సో లెట్స్ సీ.
So now the first round is Telugu round and okay. For that I would like to invite our principal Lakshmi ma'am. She is going to give the judgment for the program. So welcome ma'am and then big applause. Yeah.
ఉన్న నదులు పేర్లు చెప్పండి.
నది, కృష్ణా నది, గోదావరి నది. పరమానంద అనే పండితుడు ఉండేవాడు. అది నీరు నేల.
వెరీ గుడ్, కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. బంగారం కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? హాలికలు కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్.
నెమ్మదిగా నడుస్తారు, మరి కొందరు వడివడిగా నడుస్తారు.
కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. పేర్ ఫల్ ఫూల్. ఫల్ ఫూల్. फल और फूल. राइट आंसर. संदेश देता है.
वाली ज्ञान का संदेश देता है.
राइट आंसर है हिंदी में कैस्ट जाति. राइट आंसर.
Not believe in dash. As right answer, 10 marks for B group. Where does the tiny plant lay sleep?
Esquimbo.
As right answer, little plant to creep to the light.
The sunset.
Right answer. Suspect. Meaning of suspect from English 6th class. Meaning of suspect.
Value of 1. Say the answer.
100.
100. Yes, it's the right answer. Welcome back to 4 points. Next is the B group. Are you ready? Yes. What is the face? FACA face value of 5 into 250. Yes, it's the right answer. B group. Next is the question goes to C group. So the smallest 5-digit number. Smallest 5-digit number. Yes, is the right answer. D group 5 points. Next the question goes to D group. The greatest 6-digit number. What is the greatest 6-digit number? 6-digit number. Greatest.
999.
Yes, is the right answer. 999. What we get? If we add 1 to 999, what we will get? Yes, is the right answer. Yes.
1000.
Yes, is the right answer. So, 1000. Yes, is the right answer. 5 points. Next the question goes to this group. Yes, 1 liter is equal to how many milliliters? 1 liter is equal to how many milliliters? 1000. Yes, is the right answer. 5 points.
Add 6,105 and 713.
6818.
Very good. 6,818.
That has variegated leaves. Mushroom. Correct answer. What is the gas that released on the end product of the photosynthesis? Correct answer.
Kharif crops are grown in which months? Madam, June, October అంటున్నారు.
Yes, sir.
రైట్ ఆన్సర్.
Of the August 15th Independence Day. Okay, the race winners, we are going to announce the race winners on August 15th. That group is going to get the prizes.
I hope you guys like this video. So please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Lakshmi Chakra vlogs. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye guys.